Good morning, Bexleyheath Academy, and welcome to this Friday the 8th of May Bank Holiday Assembly. Now, while we are not delivering a live assembly this morning, we just wanted to send you a quick video message to wish you and your family well on this bank holiday. A few quick messages from me before I let you get back to the rest of your bank holiday and enjoy yourselves. The first and most important message is that there are no timetabled lessons today, and there is absolutely no expectation for you to go onto your Google Classrooms and complete any work today. So please feel free to close your laptops, turn off your smart devices and just enjoy the time at home with your families. The second message is, if you do want to take part in any projects or any competitions, we put some things on our virtual learning dashboard for you. The first thing to look out for is the competitions button that appears on the virtual learning dashboard, and on there are details of two projects that we put forward this week. One called the BA National Gallery, where you can recreate a piece of artwork in any medium of your choice and submit that through the web page. And there's plenty of examples on there for you to take a look at. And the second project is Mr. Yates's music project that he introduced this week, where you are going to take part and record a short performance from the song Thank You for the Music, which is reimagined to Thank You to the NHS. Submit that through the website and he's going to put all those together for a whole school performance, which looks really, really great. So you've got those two great competitions. In addition, there is a whole selection of May bank holiday activities that you can take part in, and we've included those on a May bank holiday button for you. There's 8 great activities, from a maths ultimate aeroplane competition to a science biodiversity project. There's plenty on there to take a look at. The third message from me this morning is that next week is exams week. So do check your year group timetable on the virtual learning dashboard and look out for when your exams will take place. As I mentioned in yesterday's assembly, your exams will take place in the sessions that are highlighted in yellow on the timetable. So look out for those, and when the exams go live next week, click on the link and it will take you straight to that assessment. Best of luck with those exams next week. Now, the reason for this video message is we didn't want to forget any birthdays this week, and there are plenty of birthdays on this bank holiday. So you lucky people who not only get the day off, you also get to celebrate at home with your family with no work to do today, which is great. Bethany Brooks in Year 7, you are 12 today, happy birthday to you. Lola Hearn in Year 9 and Nicholas Winter in Year 9, both 14 today, so very happy birthday to you. We've got Luke Baker in Year 11, turned 16 today, and Harry in my Year 13 class is 18 today, so happy birthday to everyone there, and really do hope you have a great day at home today with your family, with your loved ones, spending time and enjoying the people around you, okay? Final message from me, do stay safe, do stay isolated today on this bank holiday. Even if the weather is nice, use the garden as your chance to get out and get some fresh air. And a final message from all of the teachers here at Bexleyheath Academy, we hope that you and your family have a wonderful long bank holiday weekend. All the best, bye-bye.